Benny didn't come home last night, so I think he may have been locked in the stables, but we'll see. There's water in here, and he would have a good night and just slept on the pew. But Benny! Benny! Oh my gosh! Oh, what happened? Oh, darling! Oh, darling, did you get locked in the pew? I mean, in the stables? Oh, have you had a big... Oh, darling. Hmm? Oh, are you okay? Oh, let's go inside. Come on. Let's go. Oh, darling. Oh, meow. Hey. Oh, sweetheart. Oh. Come on, let's go inside. Morning. Hey, come on, Benny. Come on, Benny. Benny. Hey. Benny's home. Yay! Lily didn't even hiss at him. Oh, I hope you were dead. Oh no. He did.
This has been a Unicorn and Wolfie production. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. You can also leave us a comment and we will respond.